Welcome to our channel. Today we how to stop check payment with Wells Fargo, payment cancellation guide step by step clearly. To stop a check payment with Wells Fargo, begin by gathering your account information. Log into your Wells Fargo online banking account. Navigate to the Account Activity or Transaction History section. Locate the check payment you wish to stop. Take note of the check number and the amount. Next, look for the option to stop payment. Click on Stop Payment and review the instructions provided. Fill in the necessary details including the account number, check number, and amount. Ensure you select the correct reason for stopping the payment. Review your entries to confirm all information is accurate. Proceed by clicking on the Submit button to finalize your request. You will receive a confirmation of your stop payment request. Keep this confirmation for your records. If you prefer, you can also call Wells Fargo customer service for assistance. Provide them with the same details about the check payment. Follow any additional instructions given by the representative. Remember that there may be fees associated with stopping a payment. Check with Wells Fargo for the most accurate information regarding these fees. When finished, monitor your account to ensure the check has been successfully stopped. If the check has already been processed, you may need to explore further options for resolution. Always stay proactive in managing your financial transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.